We're Jen and Steve-O
from Toucan Travel.
Guess which one is which?
Today we're going to show you around our apartment here in Bucharest, Romania. We got this Airbnb for the next month. It's right here behind us. And we thought it might be fun to show you around. We picked this apartment because it's a bit different from other apartments we saw on Airbnb. We're staying in an Interbellic building, which means that it was built between World War I and World War II. This building obviously doesn't look so amazing from the outside.
It's a little rough.
But on the inside it's very beautiful and we were very excited that we found it. As you can see in our neighborhood, this is the only building that looks like this on our block. The rest of the buildings are built in the communist block style. We're very excited that we get to stay there.
Let's check it out. Hey everybody, welcome to our new place in Bucharest, Romania.
This is that little entranceway, so that's the front door there where we came in. And nice little spot to hang your stuff. It's very cold in Bucharest in the winter, so coat rack and stuff, but it's over 100 degrees today. You will not be needing that.
We got a chandelier here and some lovely wallpaper. Really cool color scheme in here. I just like this blue. Us this place said a lot of the decorations in here belong to his grandparents. It's like 100-year-old stuff in here, so we will not break anything.
Yes, we will be very careful.
Very careful. Oh, we got this second bedroom. Pretty sure this folds out.
Yes, the place can sleep up to 6 people. I think it's so cool that there's a record player here. There's a bunch of records down here in the living room, and then we can play them on this record player.
Right now we got some Drewski music down there. That's a bong.
That is a bong. Why is there a bong?
Oh, okay. It's a very fancy china. I'm not gonna do it. We're gonna leave this the way it was. Pretend you didn't see that.
Must be his grandparents' stuff. So beautiful.
We're definitely not touching it. Here is the rest of the house. Is mostly living room.
Beautiful living room.
It's got great wallpaper here in the bathroom.
Nice to have a bathtub.
Oh yeah, is it big enough?
I could fit in there, I think.
Yeah, you could fit in there.
You could probably squeeze if, you know, we could probably both fit in there.
Well, we believe in ourselves. Washing machine, that's nice.
Yeah, nice towels folded up here. These washing machines are really interesting. We want to show you how the washing machine works. It's a bit different from most washing machines that we're personally used to. The way you fill it, you open it up, and inside there is this metal kind of wheel. Open that up. Always terrifying. And then you put anything you want to wash in there. We're not totally sure if this is correct, but we have detergent. Put it in here, and then we're going to close the wheel down. Close the machine. What we've been doing is putting it on cotton, and then you can plug it in. Always important to turn the washing machine on. And now it's going. But the most important thing, which we almost didn't do again, is to make sure that the hose ends up in the sink, because otherwise you flood the whole bathroom and maybe the kitchen too. We have done that once and it was very messy and we had to use every towel in the house to clean up, so that was close. Alright, so that's how you use this washing machine.
Kitchen is a one-butt kitchen.
Nicely decorated in here. Little seat to chop vegetables.
We got all of the gadgets.
Coffee maker. We think this is a smoothie maker here.
Yeah, we're gonna do.
Nice water kettle.
Oh, and then you flip it. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's fun.
And
That's
then you
fun.
flip it over, and then you get your.
Well, that is an interesting contraption.
Well, how about that?
I like this range and oven. So we've never had a gas oven before, so we were messing with it. We know how a gas stove works, but the oven is gas too, so we didn't want to blow the house up. We turned it on, and then the whole kitchen smelled like gas really quickly. So we called the landlord, and he told us how to do it. So we'll try to light it now. So there's like a thing in here. There's a little flap here. So you lift this up, and then you get a lighter. We're using this long one. I think that's ideal if you can. And then you turn this on. This is gonna smell like gas. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, nope. One more time. Okay, it's lit. Okay, yeah. Okay, we did it, I think.
is full of butts.
It's just butts.
It's just butts and a face.
You see it?
Do you guys see the butts? I see butts.
It is butts.
Oh, well that's good.
I really like this room. It's a nice bedroom, lots of closet space, good amount of clothes storage. This one is all shelving, and I think that there's extra bedding in this one.
How'd you know?
It's like I've been here before.
Dream catcher, just in case, catch all of our dreams.
And lots of cool old pieces from his grandparents. So that's our place. And that's all our luggage, so we're gonna get moved in. But let us know what you guys think. We're pretty stoked.
Wow, that apartment is very nice. What an amazing and informative tour. But Jen and Steve-O, you may be asking yourself, what about the neighborhood? Surely there are fun and interesting sights to be seen. You're right, there are. Thanks for asking. Let's check out the neighborhood.
One cool thing is that the metro is just a few minutes walk from our house, so it makes things really easy. You can get all over the city on it. Just walk normal.
How I walk.
This place is pretty good.
Soup.
There's soup shops all over the town.
Yeah, if you like soup, this is your kind of town.
Transportation in Bucharest is really good. There's a light rail system that runs all across the city, but traffic is pretty mental. This is the morning traffic right now. This park is pretty big and it's really nice to just walk around. Let's go eat this breakfast.
Brekkie.
Coffee in the park. Yay, this is so nice. We got our coffee, we got our Luca. About to eat some breakfast.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
It's lovely out. Coffee view. How's the coffee?
Coffee. Thank you, Tato.
It's really good.
Or Tito.
Which one is that?
This is the chocolate one. Chocolate bagel surprise.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Fresh chocolate.
Can I get in there? Oh yeah, there's a lot of good chocolate in there. That looks delicious. All right, I want a bite. And I got this corvage. It's like bread and inside should be cheese and ham and onion, I think. Wow. It's like cream cheese, ham, no onion. It's really good. Do you want to try?
Girl.
How am I not making that every day?
We want to live.
Oh my god, that's so good. There's onion. I want to eat 10 of these. Steve got one more. It's raisins inside of a pretzel. How's that one?
This is a raisin bagel.
Yeah?
Like straight up.
I love the shape of them. They're so easy to just like carry and eat on the go. How much were these? I think they were just 2 or 3 light each.
Oh, all 3 of these things cost $8.50.
$8.50 for all 3, so that's $2.
$2.25.
Yeah, $2.25. Wow, that's pretty awesome. Highly recommend going to Luca and trying some stuff out.
Luca.
They're all over.
Simagiri.
They're all around the city. You can't miss them.
Can't miss them.
So we're in Carroll Park. It's near to our house and we come here a lot just to walk. I'm gonna show you some stuff going on here. It's really beautiful, so I'll turn the camera around. Straight ahead of us, this is the Fallen Soldier Memorial. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, Tomb of the Unknown Soldier.
A very beautiful monument. You can climb the stairs and go closer to it.
It's got some pretty good rocky stairs, but
It does.
you shouldn't do a rocky triumphant moment at the top of a dead soldier monument.
No, that would not be appropriate.
No.
Yeah, we definitely thought about it. Then
Definitely
we realized
definitely
maybe
not.
not. Oh, and once we saw a bunch of kids ride their mountain bikes all the way down the stairs.
And they all survived.
They did, but it was very scary.
But that was a couple days ago.
Yeah, so we don't know.
This is one of the most popular kebab places in the entire city. It is always packed morning, noon, and night, and right across the street from our apartment. So we ate here maybe a little bit too often. You get in line at the cashier and you pick your meats and what bread you want. Do you want like a burrito? Do you want a sandwich? Do you want chicken? Do you want beef? Do you want chicken and beef? And the guys, your ticket is what you pick, what things you want on it.
I got salad, butter salad, stir salad, onion soup. And can I get a garlic please? No, thank you. And the garlic.
All right, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye!